Hi, I just wanted to introduce you to Jessica D'Souza. We're here in Brisbane and we've just had the very first Brisbane Financial Modelling CPA discussion group. So I've been running the Meetup groups in Brisbane for a couple of years now, but we've just found that because I'm based in Sydney, although I'm from Queensland originally, because I'm based in Sydney, we don't get to run them as often as we'd like to. And Jessica has taken over the role of it being part of CPA, so which means that we'll be able to run them a little bit more frequently. So I just wanted to say hi to Jessica and thank you for taking this on. It was a fantastic session that we had tonight, and tell me a bit about what made you decide to want to take this on.
I'd been to a couple of your discussion groups that you'd organised through Meetup before and thought that it was such a shame that we have a really vibrant financial modelling community in Brisbane, but with Danielle being in Sydney, we haven't had the opportunity to run them as regularly as I think people want to, and people are crying out for having a forum to discuss ideas and trends and best practice in financial modelling. And I thought, well, CPA, why not have a great partnership where we've got both accountants who want to look at financial modelling and those that are already into financial modelling come together and meet up more regularly to discuss it here in Brisbane.
Yeah, it's fantastic. So thank you so much for taking it on, Jessica. And it's not like you haven't got enough on your plate. So you are expecting a baby in a couple of months?
Yes.
It's very exciting.
Couldn't let that stop progress with starting up the modelling group.
Yeah. Well, thanks, Jessica. Great.
Thanks, Danielle.